Hi, this is John with WTI. And this little air freshener from Wick just come to my life just to give me a huge solution. And I'm gonna tell you why. Every time that I go to my bathroom, I have to go past my wardrobe and my walk-in closet and my dirty clothes. It's in a basket there. And I'm the type of guy who likes to see all of his environment smelling nice and clean. And this Wick air freshener comes into place clutch because this guy here has a double side tape. They can put it in one of the walls, flip it, and start screwing over and over. And this lavender scent just goes out and eliminates any huge odor that is just going to be humidity or just sweat or anything that is going to give you a funkier smell. It just takes it out. So every time that I go through that area of my apartment, it just smells awesome. So this guy here, great product. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.